नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर रूपेश M. लिखार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्रिया शारीर, फैकल्टी of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the first part of thyroid gland. Thyroid is an endocrine gland situated at the root of the neck on either side of the trachea. It has two lobes, which are connected in the middle by isthmus. It weighs about 20 to 40 gram in adults. Thyroid is larger in females than in males. The structure and the function of the thyroid gland change in different stages of the sexual cycle in females. Its function increases slightly during pregnancy and lactation and decreases during menopause. The histology of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is composed of large number of closed follicles. These follicles are lined with cuboidal epithelial cells which are called the follicular cells. Follicular cavity is filled with a colloidal substances known as thyroglobulin which is secreted by the follicular cells. Follicular cells also secrete tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine T4 and T3. In between the follicles, the parafollicular cells are present. These cells secrete calcitonin. Next, hormones of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes three hormones: tetraiodothyronine or T4, triiodothyronine or T3, and calcitonin. T4 is otherwise known as thyroxine and it forms about 90% of total secretion, whereas T3 is only 9 to 10%. Both T4 and T3 are iodine containing derivatives of amino acid tyrosine. Potency and duration of action. The potency of T3 is 4 times more than that of T4. T4 acts for longer period than T3. Duration of T4 action is 4 times more than T3 action. This is because of the difference in the affinity of these hormones to plasma proteins. T3 has less affinity for plasma proteins and combine loosely with them so that it is released quickly. T4 has more affinity and strongly binds with plasma proteins so that it is released slowly. Therefore, T3 acts on the target cells immediately and T4 acts slowly. Thyroid hormone have long half-life. T4 has a long half-life of 7 days. Half-life of T3 is varying between 10 to 24 hours. Normal plasma level of T3 hormone is 0.12 microgram per dl, whereas T4 is 8 microgram per dl. Degradation of thyroid hormones occur in muscles, liver and kidney. Rate of secretion of thyroxine hormone is 80 to 90 microgram per day, whereas that of triiodothyronine 4 to 5 microgram per day, and reverse T3 is secreted on the rate of 1 to 2 microgram per day. Synthesis of thyroid hormone. Synthesis of thyroid hormones take place in thyroglobulin present in follicular cavity. Iodine and tyrosine are essential for the formation of thyroid hormones. Iodine is consumed through diet. It is converted into iodide and absorbed from GI tract. Tyrosine is also consumed through diet and is absorbed from the GI tract. For the synthesis of normal quantities of thyroid hormones, approximately 1 mg of iodine is required per week or about 50 mg per year. To prevent iodine deficiency, common table salt is iodized with 1 part of sodium iodide to every 1 lakh parts of sodium chloride. Stages of synthesis of thyroid hormones. Synthesis of thyroid hormones occurs in 5 stages. First, thyroglobulin synthesis. Second, iodide trapping. Third, oxidation of iodide. Fourth, transport of iodine into follicular cavity. Fifth, iodination of tyrosine. 6. Coupling reaction. First, thyroglobulin synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus in the follicular cells of thyroid gland synthesize and secrete thyroglobulin continuously. Thyroglobulin molecule is a large glycoprotein containing 140 molecules of amino acid tyrosine. After synthesis, thyroglobulin is stored in the follicles. Second is iodine trapping. Iodine is actively transported from blood into follicular cell against electrochemical gradient. This process is called iodide trapping. Iodide is transported into the follicular cell along with sodium by sodium iodide sympod pump, which is also called iodide pump. Normally, iodide is 30 times more concentrated in the thyroid gland than in the blood. However, during hyperactivity of the thyroid gland, the concentration of iodide increases 200 times more. Third stage is oxidation of iodide. Iodide must be oxidized to elementary iodine because only iodine is capable of combining with tyrosine to form thyroid hormone. The oxidation of iodide into iodine occurs inside the follicular cells in the presence of thyroid peroxidase. Absence or inactivity of this enzyme stops the synthesis of thyroid hormone. Next stage is transport of iodine into follicular cavity. From the follicular cells, iodine is transported into the follicular cavity by an iodide chloride pump called pendrin. Fifth stage is iodination of tyrosine. Combination of iodine with tyrosine is known as iodination. It takes place in thyroglobulin. First, iodine is transported from follicular cells into the follicular cavity, where it binds with thyroglobulin. This process is called organification of thyroglobulin. Then, iodine combines with tyrosine, which is already present in thyroglobulin. Iodination process is accelerated by the enzyme iodinase, which is secreted by follicular cells. Iodination of tyrosine occurs in several stages. Tyrosine is iodized first into monoiodotyrosine and later into diiodotyrosine. Monoiodotyrosine and diiodotyrosine are called iodotyrosine residues. Last stage is coupling reaction. Iodotyrosine residues get coupled with one another. The coupling occurs in different configuration to give rise to different thyroid hormones. Next, storage of thyroid hormones. After synthesis, the thyroid hormones remain in the form of vesicles within the thyroglobulin and are stored for long period. Each thyroglobulin molecule contains 5 or 6 molecules of thyroxine. There is also an average of 1 triiodothyronine molecule for every 10 molecules of thyroxine. In combination with thyroglobulin, the thyroid hormones can be stored for several months. Thyroid gland is the only endocrine gland that can store its hormones for a long period of about 4 months. Thyroglobulin itself is not released into the bloodstream. On the other hand, the hormones are first cleaved from thyroglobulin and released into the blood. Thyroid hormones are transported in the blood by three types of proteins. First, thyroxine binding globulin, second, thyroxine binding prealbumin, and third, albumin. So here we end the first part of thyroid gland, in which we studied histology of thyroid gland, hormones of thyroid glands, synthesis of thyroid hormones, storage of thyroid hormones, release of thyroid hormones, and transport of thyroid hormones in the blood. In next session, we will study function of thyroid hormone, mode of action of thyroid hormone, and applied physiology. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.